Hello everybody, thanks for joining guys. I'm on my way to the White House and this is the road view that is look like here in DC. So today plan is that I will go there and take you guys with me to see what the White House look like from the closest shot. I don't think we can get too close to it because I checked it online and they have walls and boundary walls and stuff, but we will see what we can do. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So again, this is a perfect time in the year to do this, and later I get snow and really cold. So if someone wanted to do this, then the right time will be October, November, not later than November. The snow starts. I personally don't prefer doing this in the snow. I like it like this. Here we are guys, this is a quick look at the White House. We are like 1,000 meters away from the actual building and this is what it looked like. Again, there's just so much people here. They come and visit and just to explore the park as well as the White House. As I mentioned in my other videos, all of those historical buildings right close in the same area, which is a good thing. So this is a quick look the White House behind me guys, and there you go guys. There is a black SUV right in front of the house, or White House. This was used to be open a long time ago, but now they have a fence and all sort of security around. That wasn't the case back in the day, but now it's more like, you know, remember, you know, back in the day, like you could just almost get close to the building, but that's not a case anymore. Right there, that's the one of the entrance to the White House, and then behind that, that's where the White House located. This is what it's called, the viewpoint, and people come all around the world and just check and make pictures and just explore. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the White House tour. It was a lot of fun and it was good guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if so, do give it a like and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.